Well, welcome back. It's time to learn a new pattern of multiplying polynomials. And today we're going to take a look at how to multiply two binomials that fit a specific kind of pattern. And that pattern for this example is a sum and difference pattern. A sum and difference pattern. What I want you to see is that in this situation we have two binomials that are multiplied together where you have the same terms, but the only thing that's different is that the first term has an addition sign and the second term has a subtraction sign. It could be the other way around, but they're the opposites in that aspect. When we multiply something like a plus b times a minus b, what we're going to end up having is an a squared minus b squared for our answer. That may not mean a whole lot to you yet, but let me take a look at what this example right here, how this would work if we follow this pattern. I'm going to do it the long way and then show you how we can make the connection to the shortcut. So this is an example of a sum and difference pattern. We have x plus 5 times x minus 5. Knowing how to FOIL, we are going to multiply the four terms together, the first, outer, inner, and last. And so when I do that, I'll take x times this x and get x squared. Then I'm going to take the x times this negative 5 over here, and I'll have minus 5x. Then I'll take this positive 5 and multiply it by this x. So then I have a positive 5x or plus 5x. And then I'm going to end with this 5 times this negative 5, which is minus 25. There's my four terms. And that looks good. And now I'm going to simplify it. Combine this negative 5x plus this 5x. Those middle terms can always add together. And so x squared. And again, that's to represent x squared. Negative 5x plus 5x is 0x, so I don't have to write it down, it's gone. And then I'm left with minus 25. And this becomes your final answer. Now this term, x squared minus 25, is supposed to look like this term a squared minus b squared over here. So I'm going to bring it back down here again. What happens is a squared is the same as a times a. In this example, x times x, that's x squared. And then b times b, well, in our example, that's 5 times 5, and that's 25. And it's minus, and here's your minus sign. It's going to always be something squared minus another perfect square. So x squared minus 25. I hope this helps explain how to multiply a sum and difference pattern of two binomials.